Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Steve Blair Gold. Today it is going to be a very fun video. I just went shopping at the Dollar Tree and here's some of the items I purchased. I'm preparing to make a birthday party for my dog Kobe, and it's going to be a virtual party. And here's some of the items that I purchased, which are stuffed animals, party hats. You saw the stickers before. I'm going to send a snack to each animal. There's some washi tape, and these are just random videos that I purchased for 5 of my grandsons. And I think they will enjoy them pretty much. One of them likes cars a whole lot, so I thought these videos would be cute. And then here's some party bags that I'm going to put the treats in, and you have to watch part 2 to see how I'm going to use that happy birthday banner. And then each family would get a party blower, and there's more treats. And here's some of the decorations, and that's the candles that I'm going to use. He's 13, so I have a 1 and a 3. And here's everything that's out here on the table. So you want a big space to use this in. So the little toys were squeakers. And I'm going to be sending off 5 packages. So let's get started. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, this is my to-do list that I have today. But first, I'm going to start by just removing all of the paper, everything from the stuffed animals, because we don't want to leave anything on. I'm going to be mailing them to each of the households. And this is just a cute little hot dog outfit I got for Kobe's bestest friend, Pepper. And then here are the different names and how many items are going to each household. And here are the cute little party hats, a close-up on them. They have little shimmers, just really cute. Now these are for regular people, but they're so small, I thought they would be cute for pets. So I'm just pretty much organizing everything so I could know exactly what I'm sending to who. And I found out this container, I might use it, repurpose it. And so right now I'm just tearing off the names that have just going to the different households so I could be more organized. And each household, as I said, will get 1 party blower. And of course these are for the adults to blow during the virtual party. Okay, so I tried to color code it, but it didn't work out too well. And these I got from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to put the snacks inside of the snack package to keep them fresh. And I have Begums and Greenies. And even though there are 14 doggy friends that's going to be at Kobe's virtual party, 4 of them were cats. And I apologize in advance to the invitees that when we have the party that they just eat their own snacks that they have at home. So I'm just writing, this goes to one of our Kobe's local doggy friends, and I won't be mailing that one out. So I'm just putting it in this baggie so I could put it aside and remember I'll just hand deliver that to Miss Katie girl. So, and I also prepared another one in this manner, but I decided to go ahead and mail that one. And that was to Miss Pepper. And this was a really fun idea. I just thought about it off the top of my head. Kobe had a party when he was 1, but he's 13 now, and I just wanted to do something fun and special. Everything else is virtual, why not? So I'm going to start, I'm just gathering everything. That one's going off to my grandsons and their pets. And then this is another, it's going to another household that has 4 pets. And you guys, this is an inexpensive way. I bought the things from the Dollar Tree. You could go as elaborate as you want, but this is the way I'm, just doing it. It's just low budget, and it was just something fun. So now I'm going to start making the invitations. And this is just some paper that I have. I'm a scrapbooker, and I like doing things with paper and construction. So, you could just use what you have, or you can go just buy something. You can get them also at the Dollar Tree. Um, so I'm just measuring out, and I'm going to make 6 invitations. And as I was doing the invitations, as I ended up procrastinating and doing this at the last minute. But you could either buy the invitations, you don't have to make them. You could just buy some from the Dollar Tree. You can get about 8 or 10 in a pack. Or I could have used stickers on these, but I chose, as you'll see, I hand wrote them out. But these, I'm just making these even, and I'm not sure of the measurements. I just did this off the cuff. So, but it was really fun, and I felt, that this was good enough. And the paper was really nice. It's sort of shiny, has a shimmer to it. So I've taken the argyle paper, and I'm going to paste it on the dark purple paper. And I decided just to put the other lavender on the back. And the front of the invitation is going to be inviting, and then on the back, on the lavender paper, I'm going to write the agenda for the day. Now, something really funny happened when I was doing this. I didn't save one. I thought I had taken a picture of it, but you don't want to do that. You want to be able to keep what you're writing on it, because when it was time for the party, I had to ask one of the invitees to send me a copy of the agenda. So here I'm just pasting it down, and I tried to get it in the center. One of them was off center, but that's okay. I used it anyway. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. As the old saying goes, it's the thought that counts, but it's just really fun. So I'm just counting off the letters, and so I could space them out for the invitation. And then I'm going to use these stickers. There's some little doggy stickers. I thought they were so cute. And they have pictures of dogs, different types of dogs, and the bone in the dog house, and toys for the dog. So I'm just using this as an embellishment. You can use whatever you like. So here's a sample. And this is going to Kobe's bestest friend. And on the back, I'm going to write the order of the party. Please make sure you watch part 2 of this video. I'll try to get it up pretty quick. And that would be the day of Kobe's party. So the agenda just says things like what we're going to do. I'm going to show a birthday roll. They're going to eat. When they're going to open gifts, and the music. Just really fun. Okay, I just decided that was enough. I didn't have to use the washi tape. So now it is time to package the gifts. And I'm repurposing these boxes from Birchbox. That was a subscription my son sent me a few years ago, but the boxes were so beautiful and nice, I kept them, and I actually used them for other different gifts or whatever. It came in very handy. So this is another version of one of the invitations. And this one's going to 4 different animals. 3 cats and 1 dog. And I didn't send the balloons. The balloons I will use on the day of Kobe's party. And I will keep him safe from him. So now I'm just going to... I'm letting you guys see this cake will be repurposed. You have to watch part 2 to see how. That was the picture of my eldest daughter's fourth birthday cake that someone got it. This was her birthday weekend. So I'm just putting tape on the boxes to make sure they're nice and secure. And the boxes were high enough that it didn't squish the little party hats too much. When the people received the gifts, they said no, they were not smashed or bent. So I'm just double checking. And I got these mailers also on another day from the same Dollar Tree. So this is my biggest package, but it wasn't going the farthest. My furthest package went to Missouri. Okay, so I just made sure it came out perfect. On my way to see if I can put these in the mail today, because it's almost 5 o'clock p.m. Hopefully the post office isn't already closed. I made it into the post office and it's already closed. Oh, I'm going to attempt to use the self-service kiosk. I put three. I had.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I just had to pop right on and tell you guys this. Look at this. I totally forgot that even though I had the treats in a little snack baggie, put the snack baggie inside of these. I just got them out of this bag. I forgot to put them in. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. And they're all on their way. I already sent them. Oh well. I could use these for next time.